So this is admin. In the admin, we created login page. Have you seen last video, Vaishnavi?
Yeah.
So in the last video, it was about login, how to create login page.
Okay.
You look at this, we are running this application. If you come here, /admin login, this is the page we get. Okay. So here we need to enter some username, then we need to enter password. Like some password we enter upon clicking on this sign in button, it's getting redirected to some other page. Okay, so this is for here admin. This is admin home. So we need to have here this is for the off canvas. So what is off canvas? You see here. Okay. Sample you have to see. So it is something like this you get. Okay, so this is going to be this manner, we get it. With the some example when we see. Otherwise, what happens if you minimize this? Automatically you get here this hamburger 3 bars. When you click on this, showing like this. This is mobile view. Okay, it's mobile view. When you expand again, you get like this. There's a feature search in this. Okay, if you come back from here, so this is fixed top example. So with this, it is shown for us. Let us take this and try to click here this one. Okay, this is part of actually the navigation bar. Then in the content part, we try to put it. Okay, so here in the admin home, we need to put this. Here in this area, we copy and paste. Now how it looks, let us see now in this. Okay, when you go with the sign in such case, we are getting something like this here. So when you refresh, you are getting here this conversion. Okay, it's what is basically mobile view. When you click on this, you get in this manner. Okay, search functionality is not required for us. Home, this drop down also not required. When you click on the drop down, you should get it. Okay, it's not working. Drop down should be having many other options. So this is navbar, home, link, drop down. You have something like this. And whenever you come here with the navbar, they have taken this as BG light. Instead of going with the BG light, this must be like BG danger. So in such cases, you get this in the red color. You're getting this in the red color. Okay. And as far as this navbar is concerned, all these are nothing but links. We don't require here search facility. So where is search? We need to remove the search in this. Okay. We have to remove the search facility from this here. So we don't require here this particular part. Search part is not required. So we remove here with the form, the search, and Once again, when we refresh it, we don't find now the search facility. The drop down is not working properly. What could be the reason? We see. So whenever we go here with the drop down, okay, it is showing just drop down. This is drop down menu. Inside this action, another action, something else here. Like this we have, but this is not at all shown for us. Okay, area expanded equal to false it is. So let us keep this as here true. What will happen now? Let us see in this. Still, this is not working for us. Okay, this is nothing but here admin homepage. We have admin homepage, something like this here. And whenever you come to again sign in, somewhere here you should have sign out kind of thing. Okay, normally we need to structure like that. So where was exactly for us? So here this is what UL we had. Nav link disabled. Nav item. We have in this, it's giving actually like disabled option. So let us undo here. When we undo, the search facility is going to be available for us. Okay, search is coming in the completely left side for us. So it is coming actually in the left side. Sorry, the right side, this has to be coming. In the extreme right, we have that. So therefore, in this area, we should have this one as sign out and the username. Whatever username we have, that should be getting rendered in that area. Okay, so come here then in this area, instead of going with any search kind of thing, okay, we go here with the username. First thing is then this is here sign out. Okay, we want to put this as here sign out. Put this way sign out, and this is here input. Instead of having input here, you can go with some kind of we go here with the span. Okay, then here inside this we have in this manner uname. So whatever we are passing, this must be getting rendered here, and we close the span here. If you look at main.py file, what is happening in this case is here upon logging in, you have username. Whatever username we entered, it is available there. Now let us refresh. So it says admin, and this is showing here for a sign out. One is admin, second thing is what? Sign out. Okay, whatever styles we have on the sign out, same styles we have to apply there. Whenever you come to admin home.html, same styles we need to put in such cases. Okay, so this is here. You cannot go with button in such cases, but try to put here the same thing. What will happen? See here. So username must be applied to us now in a good looking manner. So we have admin followed by we have sign out like that, like buttons they are looking for. One is admin, username, this is then, this is here, sign out here, that option. Okay, so I have taken span, because of that, it is looking in that manner. So here, therefore, we may go with the, here we can go with the UL. Okay, so here, instead of going with this, we have a span, this is fine, but we don't use any class like this here. Just let us take this one as navbar item. Okay, so we can go with the like container fluid we have taken. Okay, so here it is. Let's go with the UL, an ordered list. Then here we go. We actually close the UL. UL is nothing but unordered list. Okay, then here we go with the LI. LI followed by here anchor tag we take. Okay, class equal to something like drop down item we take in this manner. Then similarly we close here anchor tag again. Okay, how this looks we can see now here in this. Refresh it. You have admin like this, but sign out must be like a link only. So here we go with the UL, then another list item we take here. This is going to be next list item. Okay, then here we close it /li. Now you can see how this looks, but they are shown actually vertically. It is shown actually vertically, but we should not show them vertically, and the bullet point must not be needed there. Since it's part of list item, it is showing something like bullet point for us. Okay. So since it is actually, we are showing something like this here, it's showing a bullet point that way. So we don't need bullet point here in that example. So we have to change therefore that particular thing. Okay, so whenever you go here, whenever we go with that, it is like UL is taken. So ME auto we did not take, nav item also we don't take, drop down we don't take here. This is not needed for us. So we can remove totally this particular LI in this. The next one also we don't need. This one is not needed. Then go with this and try to see here how this looks. Okay, you have home link, then this is what here, admin sign out. But the problem here it is, we have a class drop-down item. And here it is, we go with the BTN hyphen primary. Okay, when you go with that, how this looks, just see here in this. It is coming with the blue color for us. It's not actually getting floated properly. BTN. Here we go with the like BTN. It is secondary. We take and see how this looks. All these are nothing but predefined styles which are available for us. Okay, it's not looking well. Fine. So upon moving on that particular thing only we get. So remove this here outline part. See then how this looks for us. Now you have sign out. Then here you have admin. One more is what admin. Upon clicking that, we have to come out from that particular thing. So therefore here completely remove it. This one also we try to remove instead of going with the list item here in this. Okay, so come here and remove the list item. How this is going to look, we can see now here in this. This LI is also not needed for us. Okay, and this one must not be fine. So drop down item we are taking, how it looks, we can see now. Okay, so admin also must be coming in some button only, but it should not be clickable like that we should have there. Okay, so it should not be clickable, but like normal item, we should have that particular thing. Okay, so here this is what class drop down item we have taken. So remove this drop down item and see how this looks here in this. Okay, no change in this case. It's showing you the name of the admin, but that must be exactly aligned here. Okay, it must be getting aligned here. So therefore, go here with this mechanism and see how this will look for us. It's a nav link. So using nav link, how this is changing, no change in this case. As far as styling is concerned, we don't have any change for that. Okay. So here you have a sign out option. We remove it totally, then see how great this looks for us. Now it's looking fine. When you click on the sign out, you have to sign out from that. Now, if you go here, you see in this, you get all these options, home, link, sign out option. You're getting in this manner all the required things in this. So since it's admin part, we don't require actually much in such cases. Okay, and this is part of form actually. Since it's part of form, okay, class equal to BTN secondary, type equal to submit. Here we have sign out. Okay, instead of type equal to it submit, therefore here you have to type something like this here. Method equal to, it is post method it is. Then similarly, here we write action equal to sign out slash sign out we write. So it must be getting signed out for us. So in the main method, we need to write here sign out feature. Okay, so let us define here in the place of admin home. I'm going to write this as sign out. Okay, and this is what post method. Okay, and this is going to be admin sign out. Okay, admin sign out this is. Instead of pausing here, whenever somebody is signing out, we need to redirect to some other page there. We try to put this here. So what I do here, ARR equal to just empty string I put. Then we are trying to render it. The sign out page, we are going to be getting rendered, and you require here some indentation. Then it will not be having any error for us. Now everything is fine. We can come to browser. From browser, we can go with the sign out feature. Come here, then here it is localhost 5000 followed by first of all admin login. So this is here. We can type admin name followed by this is hard coded 1678. So we are coming here. Okay, then when we click on the sign out, again we are coming to home page. Okay, so like this, initially we are creating certain things. Okay, it is admin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upon clicking on the sign in, we come into this screen. You have a feature called here sign out. Okay, we have sign out here, and now bar we have, home we have, link we have. So like this, we come into admin screen here. Okay, what can be the roles of the admin? We need to now find in this. There can be few roles related to admin. What could be the roles of the admin? We have to see in this now. So here, this must be getting signed out. And background color, you can go with actually red color only in this case. Instead of going with some black color, you can go here with the red color. So for red color purpose, if you come into admin home.html, and here we go with the BTN danger. Okay, BTN danger we take. And once again, here refresh this. So it is actually getting floated now on the top. On the top, it's getting floated for us. In the same manner, we can go here with the another button as well. Okay, so instead of going with the button, this time I go with the span. Okay, I can put like here, this one I want to make as span here. For span, I'm trying to go with that. I remove here type equal to submit. Okay, here also it is going to be like span closing tag. And here I should have in curly brackets uname. Okay, then refresh this here. Now what is happening? We have admin and this is what sign out like this we are getting it. Okay, so this is for the, whenever you go here, it is actually not getting aligned in the center exactly. Vertical alignment, it's not center. So it should be coming a little bit down for us. The admin must be coming a little bit down. So here we go with the bottom margin. Okay, here we go with like py we have, padding y we have. Okay, so here we have to go with like py followed by, we try to put some 2 in this. Okay, go with this and try to see here what will happen. Okay, so for entire navbar it's coming like this, but we don't want to get for entire navbar. And this is what here span, sorry, this is a span. Let us remove this and see. Okay, it was actually some mistake. Now when you see here how it looks in such cases, now it is coming fine. Both are there in the same part. Okay, and this is here like a like this we have here, we need to remove the hand symbol. This hand symbol we need to remove. For button automatically the style it comes. So here we need to remove the hand symbol. Okay, so see here, CSS, how to remove hand symbol and cursor for buttons. We have to remove for this. Okay, so how to hide it? Upon hover, actually, we need to remove that. So what is the CSS we have to use? Okay, so what is the CSS we can use? Let us try to find here. So we go here with this pointer events none, we try to set here in this. But this is going to be a style we define. Style equal to here, pointer events none. Whenever you go here with the username particularly. Okay, now come to this point, then submit this. Now what is happening when you come on this is fine, but when you come here, so nothing is shown here. Pointer events equal to none. This is the style with the help of that we are hiding the, when we move mouse pointer over it, what is happening exactly, we are hiding this particular thing. So with the help of this particular CSS. Okay, So no one can remember all these CSS, but depending on the requirement, you have to search and you need to find it. Okay, so these techniques we need to adopt. These techniques we need to adopt actually. Then with the help of that, you can become actually a contributor, successful contributor you can become. If you look at all these things, you cannot remember. No one can remember all these things. We cannot remember all these things actually. Once again, refresh here and see. So what do we have here? We have sign out in this case, and this is what admin. Okay, and these are what navigation bars we have here. Navbar, home, link, something like that you have. And instead of having some red color, you can go with some other color as well. So what could be the other color we can use for this? We go on to the top and try to see here. Okay, we try to see here the other colors like danger we have taken. Instead of going with the danger, BG like here, success. So what color we get with this? See in this now here. We get a green color. Okay, we're getting green color. This is looking a little better when compared with that. Of course, we have to change colors for these things. And this background color we need to remove there. Okay, so where we have to remove that, it is actually BTN success. Okay, it's BTN success. And here also with the button, we need to change it. BTN success, this one. Okay, we take this way, then try to see now everything changes even for that. So we have a green color bar. Okay, this is looking little dim. Actually, this is looking little dim. Now our home link, they are looking little like dim actually. We can change the colors there. If you want to go with some other colors, you can make them. And here, whenever you work, now this is basically like, so when this is basically here now, how it looks. It is actually like here you can find the menu items. Whatever menu items are there, you can find them. Admin is shown here, sign out is coming here, but when you expand, automatically it's coming up in this fashion. Okay, even navbar, whatever you have, that can be removed here. For admin, we don't require that navbar. Okay, so here probably you can put this as admin dashboard. In the place of the navbar, we can write it as admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. You put in that manner. Okay. Then what features we can add to admin? We need to look into that now. And colors also we can change here in this now. We can change colors. Okay. So navbar brand is taken here in this case. Okay. So what are the styles with the navbar? Let us see this. Bootstrap, navbar, brand, navbar styles. Okay. So we have so many things like this. Inline text, we have collapse, we have so many things are available like this. Navbar light you have. Okay. So here in this case, it is looking actually like dark for us. So they have used brand with the help of brand. It is kept actually. Here let us put it as navbar light. Okay. Refresh and you can see looking something like this. It's not looking well. Okay. So therefore, navbar brand is only good. Okay, navbar brand is good. But along with this, you require here background color. Okay, so how we are changing background color in other areas? In the same manner, you need to go here. If you look at this, we changed here some background color, like BTM success or PG color. We use it there. So here, let us go with this and go with the BG, like, so BG followed by, we can go here with the, like, black, we cannot use. We go here for this BG white. How this looks, we can check now in this. But like a patch, this is looking properly. It cannot look like a patch for us. Okay, it's looking like a patch for us, so patch showing is not correct. Fine, then in such cases, okay, so if you go with that, it doesn't look nice. So here, we go with the BG, but complete BG color is not good actually. Only for the button, we have to have here some color. Okay, what are the 4 color classes we have? Let us see. Bootstrap, text color classes. Okay. So what are the text colors we have? So we go with here text white. Whatever items you have for them, we are going to be using text white. In the brand, we put this as text-white. With that, it comes in the actually white color for us. You can see admin dashboard, then for home and everything, you can have in the white color. So text white, we can use. Okay. And here for this button as well, if you come down here, there's nothing actually inside this, but whenever we go with the navigation item, then you have like text white. And here also, we can go with the text white. So this way, we have here text white for all the things. For link also, we need to supply here. So where is the link? Somewhere for link also, we need to keep this one, but we kept outside. Because of that, it's not working properly. We go here and apply the text white. This is a predefined style available with the Bootstrap that we apply. Okay, so now it is looking something like this for us. Admin dashboard, home and link. So as far as admin is concerned, what admin can do? Okay, so here we need to add those things. Admin dashboard you have here, this is only for menu bar. Now I want to go with certain cards here inside this. Okay, and if you look at this, this is basically container fluid we have taken. Instead of going with the container fluid, if you go with container, how it looks, see. Container is another class available. Now it is looking actually better. Okay, it's not using entire screen now if you go with the container. Okay, but when you go with container flex, it's trying to use actually entire space which is available for us. So go with flex only, container flex. Okay, so this is fine. It's going to be flexible on all breakpoints. But what is happening now in this case? So it is behaving in this manner for us. It is not flex, this has to be fluid. We go with the fluid, then with fluid, how it looks now here, see, it renders everything in the proper manner. It's basically admin dashboard. You have home link. Okay, this even home and link also we can remove, and instead of that we can put something else. Okay, remove here the links as well. The link, and one more thing is what for us. Let us comment first of all this particular part. HTML commenting you can do using this facility here. Okay, like this, I'm going to comment the HTML part. Now when you render, it's not going to show actually here home only. It's just going to show admin dashboard for us. Okay, now I want to divide the screen into various like I want to go here with various kinds of we call this as cards. I want to use here bootstrap cards. So let me put here bootstrap cards in this. If you look at bootstrap, you have here like somewhere you can find here the cards. Bootstrap, we can say this one has cards in this. Cards side by side. Okay. So we can show in this manner, images can be shown, okay, or side by side, they can be shown. Let us go and try to put few cards here in this. In whatever manner we need, then we can arrange them. Okay. So this is going to be now, we go here with the, here we try to put a div first of all. After this here, we go with the div. So inside the div, so div here it is row equal to, sorry, this is class equal to, we write this one as row. Then slash div here it is. Inside this, we go with this div here. Class equal to card, we have taken. Okay, but here you can go with again div. First write class equal to, it is called. Okay, then we come to this point here. Let us close actually this particular here. Okay, this is here what call followed by, we go with the total. We want to have here something like 4 columns I want to have in this. Okay, so this is expanding to 4 columns. Again, I can go here with the, so again I can go here with the another 4 columns side by side, how they look. Go with this and here go with this. How this looks here, see. Click on this. Okay, nothing is coming up for us. Here you have them in the bottom. In the bottom of the screen, we have here 4 cards. We get in this. Okay, so why it is behaving like this? Let us see. Navigation after that, we go with this and try to put the required things in that. Control X. And with this, we come to section part, and in the section itself, we try to add this. So in such case, now it is looking like this. Okay, in this manner, it is looking, there is no padding available for us here in this. There should be some padding here. Okay, there should be some kind of padding. So let us provide here padding. We've gone with this row. Okay, here we go with the py followed by like some 5 we write. py -5. So 5 spaces we can have on the top and on the bottom. Now you can see you have here 5 spaces on top and in the bottom. Similarly, in the left side and in the right side, you need to have that. So go with column, you go here with the px followed by here 5. Okay, even here we go with this, then try to put here px5. Okay, here or else, okay, instead of putting with this thing, here keeping is wrong actually. Okay, here also keeping like this is wrong. So therefore, we remove here px equal to 5 here. And on the top, we try to put px hyphen y 5. Okay. So in the left side and in the right side, you can have certain margins. Right now, there are no margins in the left and right. You go with this. Now you can see you got better margins. Okay. And when you resize here, how it looks, see, like this is looking. So it is looking actually in this manner. Okay, cards are coming up in this manner for us. But these cards, they don't look like actually responsive for us. Okay. So they are not looking actually responsive for us. So we have to make them responsive. Okay. And here we are using certain buttons. We have gone with the px5 and total they are going to be 4 columns per every row. Here we have 4 columns per every row. This is admin dashboard. And here we need to have some kind of image. Okay, what we can keep for card title in this? When you go with the card title, okay, so title of the card, here image, simply we kept ... Okay, so it is ... basically. You can have here some images. So here card title is going to be job seekers, or else here it is employers. Okay, next thing here it is job seekers. Okay, similarly, here I go with the like admin users. This we can put. Okay, now when you look at this, how it looks, here you find. So you don't have any image here. We need to have an image here in this now. Okay, so, and here, how many employers at present we have, how many job seekers we have at present, how many admin users are there. So you can actually have those links. We need to think about them and we need to do that. Okay, so total here in this now we have 4 different, we have in this case 4 different actually, like we have 4 different cards in this. If you don't want to have 4 cards, you can go only with the 3 cards in everything. Okay, we can go just with the 3 cards only. And related to cards, what are the sizes we have, we can see. Let us go with the responsive cards in this. Okay, so here in the card body, you can have content, card title, card subtitle, whatever you want to add, they can be added here. So width we have taken 18 rem. Instead of that, we can go here with some 16 rem, how it looks. See, rem is another unit. And here also we put it as 16 rem. Okay, here we put it as 16 rem. Then we try to put here one more thing. It is going to be again 16 rem. So in such case, now they look actually much better. Okay, they are looking now a little smaller for us. But you need to make actually them responsive. Okay, we have to make cards actually responsive. Here, right? Cards responsive. Okay. So here cards, we want to make them. We want to make them actually here a responsive card. Okay, so we have card body, card title, all these things we have, but we have to make them actually like responsive. So it is not actually coming up. So here we may go with this, and inside this you can put actually some other things in this manner. Whenever you come to card, first thing is what here employers you have. We have actually in this case employers. So we take and put here in this manner. We try to put this. Okay, 10 top active employers. Okay. So here employers with recent activity. Okay. And here employers who need approval. So like this, we have to show the required thing, and we need to show some in this case some count. Okay, so here you can go to this part. Initially, you can show something like here. For example, say something like a link we should have here. Employers with recent activity and employers who need approval. This way we created here a user list. How this one is looking, let us see now here in this. So like this we have here 10 top active employers with recent activity. And here for us, let us put actually some kind of icon. Okay, let us put some icon here in the place, sorry, some image. So for this image, let us try to put here some icon. Employer icon or employer icon PNG. So good looking, you can go here with some good looking kind of thing. So if you go with some or employer, this is Bootstrap icon. Employer icon we require. Bootstrap employer glyph icon. Okay. So here glyph icons available glyphs are going to be like this. Here you can find all these are available glyphs. So you can here show some of the things. Okay, few things we can show from here. Glyph icon we can show here. So but what we choose, that is going to be important for us. Okay, we have to choose from that which one is required for us. Otherwise, try to search actually employer icon. Okay, employer icon. They are looking actually not that good. Something with the and symbols. Okay, whenever we come here, something good looking we need. So let us go here and try to copy some of the things from this. You can put that. It is looking actually a little better. Let us download. Okay, so this is a PNG file. So they give something like this. The restricted actually save image as. It is what exactly? So here we go to G drive. And in the G drive, let us go with the trap app. In that, again, here we go with the static, and here inside this images, here we can save this as employer. A PNG image we have in that. Okay, now when you come here, we are showing some sort of image in this case. So how we can show here? Static, then slash, followed by here images, followed by here employer dot png. We try to show here the employer image in that. Now again come here, try to see it is looking in this manner. Okay, but image is too big for us. It should be looking actually little smaller. Okay, we have to go with actually little small image. So in the Bootstrap, what are the image? Bootstrap image. Here image like styles. We take some image styles for Bootstrap, and with that we try to do it. Okay, so here we go with the img fluid. Okay, then we go here with the img fluid. With the help of that, try to see how this looks. Okay, here we take this as, okay, card top we have taken, that's okay. But here img fluid we take, and with that we try to render this in this area. Not changing actually much. Okay, since space is available, it's going in that manner. Okay, so here image, instead of going with the fluid, image here followed by thumbnail. We try to use here like thumbnail, this particular image. Refresh, how this looks, see. Okay, it's looking actually a little smaller for us. Now it's looking a little smaller, but still we require actually in a bigger way. So this is image fluid, you have image, sorry, thumbnail. Did I put same thing or not? Let me see here in this. img hyphen thumbnail. Okay. So here, again, go with this, then try to make this. Okay, so for employers, it's showing something like this. Okay, in such cases, you can go with actually, instead of going with four, you can only go with the 3 in this. That would be sufficient. And how responsive this is, we have to see. Now it's not responsive. So image must be basically like it should change as per the availability there. So on the top we have taken, this is fine. But what we have to do, we have to go here with this style equal to here what we take width, how much it takes, some 20%. 20% space it has to take for us, and it has to render accordingly. This one. So looking a little better. It's looking actually a little better for us. Okay, but yeah, it is looking little odd. So we have to go with some 40% of available space. Refresh it, then how it looks, see. Okay, when you go with 40% also, it is coming in that manner. So image, if we can center, that would be good. So this icon is actually good, but you need to push it into the center of the center in that part. Okay, card image top. Okay, then similarly, card img, followed by, I think here I have center option as well. Okay, when I go with that, how it looks, let us see. It's not changing actually, no change in that case. Okay, images alignment. alignment center. Okay, so bootstrap image alignment. We have text alignment as well as image alignment, both the things we have. Okay, so IMG fluid, when you take thumbnail, we take fluid, we take. Okay, probably we can go here with the float center. Okay, so here we go with this, then try to keep it as here, float. Not right, we go with the center, this one. So whether this works or not, we can see it's not getting applied. Only for the right or left it is available. Okay, so it's not available. Therefore, here, what I do, I can come to this point. Okay, then here, you can make this as float right. And here, in this area, we try to put the title of the card. Okay, so we can take here, Control C, then inside this only we try to put the image. H5, we come to end. Here we go with the /H5. Like this, we try to put this. You're getting here employers, but this should be aligned to the right side. It has to go towards right side. Image, card image top we have taken, float right we have taken, width 40% we are using here. Go with width 100%. So how this looks now, let us see. When you go with 100% width, it's using something like this maximum space. Okay, so we'll go with some 80% here. In such case, how it looks, you can see. Still, it's not looking nice. The 80% we have taken. Okay, and here, whenever you go with the, here in this case, we remove the employers. Card title we take here, and we have to close even the card title at the end. Okay, so card title we have here. Card title, it is H5 card title. The style is going to be here. Card title. Let us remove this one here. Okay, go to this part, then remove even H5 here. Now, how this looks. Okay, let us go with left only in such cases. When you go with the 80%, or else here, style, content align content. Okay, so first of all, let us see this way. Here it is. With the 80% we are taking, and with the try to see how this is going to be looking now. So this way we have employers, but this is not coming in the center of the screen. So we have to see how to make them center of the screen. Okay. So align images center. So this star, I mean, these are so many classes we have actually. We need to get them. So image fluid we have taken one of things, image thumbnail we have, left we have. Okay. So this one D block is one. Okay. So this is fine here. Then we try to use D block and how this looks. Even we go with the rounded MX D block. Try to check with that. For the image class is going to be like here. Try to put them. Okay, now let us compare here this one. It is looking actually now better. Little better it's looking. Okay. It's looking actually a little better for us. Then here also we need to change few things. For the job seekers also we require some kind of icons. So here job seeker icon. Okay, we go with that job seeker icon, PNG. So a job seeker icon you need to find from this. Good looking we require. Instead of going with just black and white, we have to go with somewhat better colors. Colors they are not available. Let us go here from this. Free pick from that we try to get them. Okay. A job seeker we have to get. But none of them are looking actually that good. Okay. So for employer, probably this icon looks good. Okay, for employee, that looks good. And this can be a job seeker. Save image as. Here it is. Not that file. Okay. So we can save image as AVIF file it's saying. So we don't need that file. So we require here like PNG only. So PNG or SVG files we need. Since the clients not available. We need to get some icon for the job seeker as well. So that you have to show. This can be a job seeker icon. Why it's required. Without that also we should be in a position to do that, but they are not available. Anyhow, so if you understood this card concept here, further you can go with this and you can add more cards in the admin dashboard. It is related to employers, and this is for the job seekers, this is for admin users, and this is for actually something else we can use. So try to practice in the same manner more and more. Okay, practically I'm showing you how things are done, how I'm searching from Google, how I'm downloading the files. Okay, I could have downloaded and I have kept everything ready, but wanted I'm showing you how you can make it. So this is for the employers and for job seekers, for admin users, and for others. We make here first we are going to create here, in this case, a dashboard we create, admin dashboard. Okay. So once admin, but here what is happening with the cards, we have a problem. So that problem we need to resolve. Card automatically should be getting pushed into next line in such cases. But what is happening here, it's getting overlapped. Should not overlap, it has to move into next line. So we achieve that tomorrow. Okay, so fine, then just try to practice more and more. Slowly, you can actually acquire the required subject. Vaishnavi, are you listening what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, are you following how I'm doing here, this one?
Yeah, I'm following.
Fine, then tomorrow we meet.
Yeah, okay.